I'm working late because I'm a baker. What's up, guys? Welcome to the second video of this week. And this week, I should have had this in hand. We're going to be making raspberry macarons that I found at Target. So I've Googled how to make these several times because I've never had them before and I've always wanted them because one miraculous ladybug, Marina Dupanchang's parents are bakers and they always make them and she always has them with her, and you know, I've always wanted to try them for that purpose. And two, like, I've always been intrigued. Like, I would go to like Whole Foods and they'd just be there. I have them here. I want to make them. I watched a couple of tutorials. This is the mix, so a lot of the things that I need to do if I was making them from scratch are already done in the mix. So like, that's a plus. But like, I don't want them to come out too flat or like destroyed. And I'm gonna try to record the process of me making these. But first, we're going to read the instructions, right? First, what's inside? The macaron cookie mix, macaron cookie mix 2, and then the filling mix, right? You'll need 1/4 cup of water and 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. I have both of those ingredients, right? Now, here's how to make it. Step 1, beat mix 1 with 1/4 cup of water in large bowl on medium to high speed for 10 to 12 minutes or until stiff peaks form. That's a long time. If you're making a cake, usually, when I'm making cakes, because, you know, baking is my therapy, when I'm making cakes, usually like 2 to 3 minutes on medium. Now it's 10 to 12. That's a long time. All right. 2, sift. Oh, okay. Mix 2 to remove, I think it's referring to macaron cookie mix 2. To remove any lumps using a spatula, gently fold sifted mix 2 into mix 1 until macaron batter is fully combined. Do not overmix or batter will spread too much when piping. What?
What the hell is even that?
I haven't even opened this yet and I'm so confused. Okay, step 3. Pour batter into a plastic storage bag. I have freezer bags. Okay. Tip: for easy transfer, place the open storage bag into a tall. Okay, so I guess a piping bag. Into a tall cup or container and mix a small 1/4 inch hole and cut a 1 and 4 inch hole in one of the corners. I'm so confused, y'all. 4, line a cookie sheet with parchment paper. Keeping bag perpendicular, pipe the batter into 24 1-inch circles about 1 inch apart. If your cookie sheet is rimmed, flip over and use the bottom for more even baking. Use 2 lined cookie sheets for piping space. Guys, I'm already confused. I really hope this comes out all right. Now, step 5, lift cookie sheet 2 to 3, lift cookie sheet 2 to 3 inches off the table and drop, what? Lift cookie sheet 2 to 3 inches off the table and drop to remove any bubbles. Oh, okay. Repeat 2 to 4 times and let cookies rest for 30 to 45 minutes or wait until a skin forms. Cookies should not be sticky. What? Okay. Preheat oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 15 minutes or until cookies feel firm. Let cool completely before moving from parchment paper. Beat filling mix and 1/4 cup heavy whipping cream on low until combined. Beat on high for 3 to 5 minutes until fluffy. Step 8, or pipe filling. Spoon or pipe filling on the bottom half of the cookies and then top the remaining cookies. This makes 12 cookies. Y'all, I'm nervous. I don't know how to do this. I want to record the whole process, but I'm probably not going to record the whole process. I'm going to record parts. So like, let me get into more comfortable clothes and then let's get this done. Let's do this. I believe that I can do this. We can do this. We got this. Don't know if y'all can see me, but basically, I had to find a tutorial online and I'm gonna watch that and I'll update you on how the process of making macarons is going. So basically, did not have a sifter. So what I did is I just took my good old whisk and kind of like whisked out some of the lumps because that's like the easiest thing I could do. And we're on to the step number 2. We're gonna mix this for 10 to 12 minutes from medium to high. So I'll come back when this is done. Okay, so we have officially peaked the eggs, because technically this dry mixture that I was mixing with the water, yeah, this is the eggs, the egg whites that you would normally put in macarons, but like I just peaked them so they're nice and fluffy, and I think we mix them in with the next, you know, with the other bowl, which is this bowl of the lumpy. I tried to get the lumpies. I don't think there's any lumpies in there, but like you get the point. So yeah. Gosh, it smells like raspberry and it's slowly turning pink. Oh my gosh, this is so cool, so cool. I'll tell you guys later when I'm done. Wait, I don't know if you understood that. I'll update you when this is done. Oh, I almost dropped this phone in there, and that would have been the end of this video. But I think I have the perfect consistency for the macarons, hopefully. I'm going to quickly pipe this into a piping bag, and then I think we store it in the fridge after this. Here's a tutorial I'm watching. But like, yeah, we're gonna keep this momentum going because I think we're good. I think we're good. Okay, so the circles are a little bit like off center, but like I have 20 of them. I need 4 more. I might have to get another baking sheet, and I don't know. I'm very nervous about how this is gonna turn out. I hope it turns out well, but like they're looking a little weird. But you know, I'm just gonna trust the process. This is where we're at. We have 24 of them. Some of the circles, as you can see, are like kind of closer together as like in comparison to the others, and like there's some of them are kind of deformed, like that one and that one and that one. But I hope it turns out okay, because they're all relatively the same size. These were the 2 I'm proud of though. But yeah. I'm waiting 30 to 45 minutes, let them set, let them hard on top, and then we're gonna put them in the oven, and then we're gonna see how this is gonna go. The reality of baking that nobody talks about, the cleanup. So that's how I'm gonna do for 30 to 45 minutes while I'm waiting. Also, I'm watching Neza and Crawford make sushi. So yeah, that's how I bake. So I'll catch up with you when I put them in the oven. So while the oven is currently heating up for our macarons, I'm going to quickly make the filling and then refrigerate it using heavy whipping cream and whatever the mix is that came in this little thing. And yeah, and that's what we're gonna do. And the 1/2 cup in, and then I'm gonna mix this entire mixture on low until mixed, and then we're gonna mix it 3 to 5 from medium to high until it completely combines, and then we're gonna put it in the fridge and wait for, you know, the macarons to be ready. If you can see that, but like they're actually rising. I thought it would be flat, but they're actually rising. I'm gonna shut this and let them continue cooking. That looks so cool. It looks so good. Here are my finished macarons. They're not completely flat if you look at them like this. Like they're not completely flat. So I think I actually did well, but I think next time when I do these, you know, off camera, I think I need to focus on like doing better in perfect circles. But other than that, they look really good. They look really good, and I'm super excited. I wanted to share this while I'm waiting for everything to cool and everything. I just wanted to share that I'm watching, you know, Crisis on Infinite Earths, the animated movie, part 1, again. Yeah, I just thought it would be a cool additive to the video to show how I'm passing the time. So update, I transfer them over to a wire rack. They're pretty cooled off, but I'm gonna let them cool for another 15 minutes, and then I'm going to ice them and taste them. They're pretty hollow. They feel kind of hollow when you know when I pick them up. I don't know if that's how they're supposed to be, but we're gonna try them and see how I did. You know what I mean? So yeah. Love y'all. I got the macarons here, and then I got the piping bag. I'm gonna pipe their filling in, I'm gonna put them in that, and then we're gonna be done, and then I'm gonna try them, and I'm gonna end the video. So yeah, let's get started. Just like that, my macarons are finished, and to end the video, I'm gonna try them, of course, and I choose the big one. First time trying a macaroon. Sorry, I'm using my front-facing camera, so this is gonna be a little bit fuzzy, but we're trying it. I think they're underdone. A little bit, but not bad. Not bad. Well, I give my baking a 8 out of 10 because I ate that quite literally. But like, I think that they were good, a good first attempt. I'm definitely gonna try to make them again off camera, and also I want to try a professional's macarons to see what I'm doing wrong, and also to see like what they could taste like. But yeah. I just want to say thank you for watching this video. I'll see you on the last video of this week, which will come out Friday at 12 p.m. EST, as all of my videos. And also, I need to explain my posting schedule. My posting schedule is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, posting at 12 p.m. EST on each one of those days. And yeah, make sure you like, subscribe. Y'all almost choked. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment. And yeah, I love you guys. Keep watching my videos, keep liking, keep sharing, and keep showing the love. And I love you guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Let's hit it.